Hello YouTube! Today we decorate some cookies. Let's go to the kitchen. First, we need the cookies. Some old moldy cookies left over from Christmas. Yes. Then we need to take some water. That's water. You want to heat it up. And you need to take your decoration fucking shit. Yes. Golden Star sugar kuorrute. I guess this is pink and this is white. And now we need to wait for the water to bubbles.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And you put these things to the hot water, so yes. Oh shit. They're really hot. Now you can start decorating your cookies. Well, not hot enough. But who cares? Yep. This tree got shot 2 times, so it's bleeding. Bad tree, bad. Tried to steal our Christmas spirit. This tree got shot only once to the head. Once to the other titty and another time to the other titty. See how easy this is. Let's try the white one. Let's take this black tree. Yes. This black tree did some cocaine and some of it didn't make it to the nose. So it's all over there. And then the other, this tree came and did dirty onto the other tree. So this one is cocaine and this one is, well, some kind of liquid coming out from this man's pee-pee. And once this man came onto the other man, this man shot this man with the bazooka. So it got a hell of a big wound like that. That's kinda easy, but if you want to make it harder, let's grab these ones. Fuck. Now this is the next level decorating. You can grab some small candies And if you wanna be crazy, you can flip this tree upside down. Like this. Do you fucking even see anything? Oh, who the fuck cares? Nobody's watching this video. Yeah. And if you use your imagination, you can see this one is the Santa Claus with his white beard, like that. And you can glue some candies here. See. Now it has some eyes. And a red mouth. See. Clearly a Santa Claus. And everybody knows that Santa has yellow hair because while he's riding those fucking reindeers, those reindeers have to piss, and he's going so fast the piss is flying to his face and it sticks to his hair, so he has yellow hair because of reindeer piss. And what else? Oh, of course, the Santa Claus is eating some candies, so you can put those there. Nice. And this is the Santa Claus' favorite reindeer because its penis is on his forehead, so Santa Claus doesn't need to get on his knees to suck it off. So white tip penis. Oh well, the sperm got somewhere else too. Who cares? And red asshole because he's on a diet and he's shitting blood. Of course. And of course if you want, you can forget about the shapes and you can just draw anything you want. Anything. Whatever comes to your mind. Oh shit! Whatever comes to your mind. Nice. Well, yeah, I guess that's it. Fuck it. And you can eat the candy, and you can just put this everywhere here. So someone is going to get a diabetes while eating this cookie. And the last one I will make perfect. Goodbye. I said goodbye.